guys, welcome back to my video again. And today, we're
I'll get it.
slime.
Don't you get off the chair. Okay, so I forgot to get you a spoon. So give me a second. I'm going to grab you a spoon. Ah! It's our fancy setup for YouTube. There's your spoon, love. Okay, so stir it around. That should be enough for that.
Did you see that, guys? How long do I have to stir this?
You have to stir that till it's all mixed. Okay, at some point you're going to have to put the spoon down and start working it.
Ew.
Remember? Okay. Oh my.
It's stuck.
Go ahead. It's a little sloppy for a little while, but keep working it in the water, please. Mixing it all in over and over and over. That's right. It's like you're kneading bannock. Do you remember when we made bannock the other day out at the camp? It's like there.
Look at this. It's like a big fat booger. That's fresh.
A big fat booger, eh?
I don't know what slime this is gonna be. Do you say it's stretchy slime? Okay, what camera am I looking at?
This one, and you always look at this hole. It takes about 3 minutes of that kind of hard working. But 3 full minutes. So if you count to 63 times, not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 1, 2, 3. But you gotta keep working it hard too.
6, 7,
And you do that 3 times.
10, 11, 12,
It should be ready
13,
then.
14, 50, 51, 52, 56.
Oh my goodness, I think it's
55,
working. I'm gonna reach
56,
over and grab this stuff
57,
out of your way.
58, 59, 60. 60 times that, Mom.
Okay, scrape all of it out of the bowl. I'm gonna take the bowl away from you and you're gonna work it on the table. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh no, we put too much activator in. I could tell already.
At least it still be slime. At least you're gonna have slime still. Look, you can't even like clap.
Oh, those are amazing sounds, aren't they?
It sounds like it's alive.
It's alive.
Ew, ew. Oh,
It's okay. We'll keep going.
This is starting to work out, Mom. Remember when you used to already have Baby Shark in your head?
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. And remember, we're to sing that song. Have patience, don't be in such a hurry. When you get impatient, you only start to worry. Do you remember that song, Chloe?
Yeah.
That was an old one I used to sing to you. Oh, I think we did it with that one. I think we got it. It's just going to take more time working it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to stop the video now. We're going to work at both of those and then we'll come back with the final product.
Maybe this one will fly because it's all slippery and you can't even pick it up. I like this one, but once I feel that one, I don't know if I like this one. So I might give this one a 9.
Ooh, a high 9.
A high 9. And this one is definitely a 20.
Oh, a 20. A 20. How come?
So, but I like the bumps. That's why I like it.
Okay.
That is
All right. Now I want you to hold the blue up. Now let's see the elasticity of it.
so
Hold it up and let's see how it stretches, what it does.
it goes
It's quite globby. It doesn't smoothly stretch, does it? We used way too much borax, I think, in this one. Okay, this one looks, oh yeah, this one stretches. Now it's cold in the house right now, so when it is warmer, it does spread a lot easier. If I am, oh, there she goes.
This is gonna be oily. Can I take the rest of this out? Because I don't want it. I'm just gonna take the rest of this off. Ew, so it's like you can't open it?
Oh, look at that, Chloe.
Oh, so it's like when you open it, it's like...
Oh my word, that sounds awesome. We are going to go now. So thank you for joining us. And don't forget
to subscribe, hit that like button, and give us more views.
and comment below too for us.
Because we are on our way to 2,000 views.
And what happens at 2,000 views, Chloe?
I get a large slappy. It's almost like a pop, but
But it's a Slurpee. Okay, goodbye.
bye-bye. Slime hug.
Slime hug. Oh!